Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Onward Technologies company, which is hiring for the fresher candidates. So let us get started with this video. Job description is embedded training engineer. This is full-time position, not a contract position. CTC they are offering 2.5 LPA and appraisal after completion of 1 year. First 6 months will be probation period. Eligibility criteria 2020-2021 batch. BE Tech Electronics and Communication, then ME Tech Electronics and Communication with 60% and above in 10th, 12th or diploma and in graduation. Job location is Bangalore and Coimbatore, and there will be a service bond for the 3 years. So skills required: embedded C program development with debugger environment, then MISRA 2004 and 2012 coding guidelines, then CAN tools, Canoi, Canalizer, then CAPL programming, unit testing. It includes TESI, TPT, RTRT, then Cantata, vector cast and integration testing tools, then experience in defining and execution of test cases with techniques, white box and black box. So exposure to test automation scripting tools Python and Perl, ECU test and LabCar. The below skills will be an added advantage: OS scheduler, primitive, round robin, cooperative scheduling. Before going for the interview, please read about these techniques. Then model based development, auto coding, MIL model in loop and SIL software in loop. And your roles and responsibilities will be requirement analysis, documentation in line with change request, then software implementation related to CAN, UDS or other functions, unit test specification preparation, review and unit testing, integration of software changes to identified configuration management archive, then integration test spec preparation, review and integration testing, then testing in target ECU. Selection process will be: there will be online test. After that, once you crack your online test, there will be technical interview and HRA discussion. Important guidelines: online test date and time will be updated to register candidates on mail ID only. After testing, shortlisted candidate must be available for a further online interview process, and candidates should be available for immediate joining. So to apply for this Onward Technologies off-campus drive, please enter your mail ID here and click on verify email. You will get an OTP on your mail ID. Please verify. Please enter your OTP and verify your mail ID. Enter your full name, then enter the today's date, select today's date, then contact number, your college or institute name, then current location, graduation degree, branch or stream, then graduation year of passing, post graduation degree. Suppose if you have not completed your post graduation, then you can select as NA from the drop down list. Then mention graduation percentage, mention 12th percentage, mention 10th percentage, mention briefly internship or work experience if you have any. If you don't have any experience, then you can write as no. Are you available to join immediately? Are you ready to relocate to Bangalore or Coimbatore? Do you agree for the service bond? So select your answer accordingly and tick mark this checkbox and submit this form. So in this way you can apply for Onward Technologies off-campus drive. So those candidates who are interested and eligible to this drive, then please apply for this off-campus drive, and thanks for watching this video.